So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the aspect ratio of your video here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play my video right here, as you can tell, the aspect ratio is pretty normal. Now, if you want to change this or you want to edit it, it's pretty straightforward. Press on your video, go to the top to where it says original. Then you can go ahead and select the video settings here. So if you want to change this to like a TikTok video, Instagram video, YouTube video, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and change the aspect ratio here. So if you wanted to make this more of like a TikTok video and you want to keep going this way, you've now changed the aspect ratio of your video to a TikTok format. You can go ahead, once again, go to the top here, change the video, do what you got to do, and you can kind of play around with it this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can edit the aspect ratio of a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.